Olive oil is a major component of the Mediterranean diet. It is rich in antioxidants. The main fat it contains is monounsaturated fatty acids, which experts consider a healthful fat. The first step in the oil extraction process is cleaning the olives and removing the stems, leaves, twigs, and other debris left with the olives. The olives should be washed with water to remove pesticides, dirt, etc. It's amazing and sometimes entertaining to see what can be found in the bins with the olives. We have heard millers talk not only about rocks and branches, but broken glass, rings, bracelets, pieces of metal, knives, and even razor blades. Light contaminants are removed by a heavy airflow, and heavy objects sink in the water bath. The second step is crushing the olives into a paste. The purpose of crushing is to tear the flesh cells to facilitate the release of the oil from the vacuoles. This step can be done with stone mills, metal-tooth grinders, or various kinds of hammer mills. Mixing the paste for 20 to 45 minutes allows small oil droplets to combine into bigger ones. It is an indispensable step. The paste can be heated or water added during this process to increase the yield, although this generally results in lowering the quality of the oil. The most common mixer is a horizontal trough with spiral mixing blades. Longer mixing times increase oil yield but allows a longer oxidation period that decreases shelf life. The next step consists in separating the oil from the rest of the olive components. This used to be done with presses, first press and cold press, but now it's done by centrifugation except in old facilities. Some centrifuges are called three-phase because they separate the oil, the water, and the solids separately. The two-phase centrifuges, however, separate the oil from a wet paste. In most cases, the oil that comes out of the first centrifuge is further processed to eliminate any remaining water and solids by a second centrifuge that rotates faster. The oil is then left in tanks where a final separation, if needed, happens through gravity. This is called racking the oil. Finally, the oil can be filtered if desired. And at the end you get this beautiful oil that you can use for a variety of dishes and recipes. If you like this video, don't forget to share and like. And if you want to see more content from my channel, please do subscribe if you haven't already. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.